Hello everyone. Meet again on the Excavator Holic channel. In this video we will see an excavator moving soil with a mini bulldozer. The excavator begins to enter the area to be worked on, namely moving soil. After being moved, the land was immediately leveled by a mini bulldozer. This compact collaboration lasted until the project was completed. The excavator continues to dig and move the soil, which is a little wet, so we dig it carefully, but we are fortunate that there is no dust flying here and there. When one point is finished, we move to another land, until all the ground surface is evenly distributed. The mini bulldozer is back, helping to level the underground, and so on. This is our daily life today. Hope you are entertained. Thank you and see you in the next video.